Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to select a region in the WeChat application. Whether you are setting up a new account or updating your location, follow these simple steps to complete the process. Launch the WeChat application on your smart device and make sure that you are logged into your account. By opening the WeChat application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile where it says Me and click on it. Then when the next page opens, at the very top you can see your profile picture, which you will click on. When the next page opens, in the drop-down menu, you will look for the region option and click on it. From here, the interesting part starts. The application will open a new page with a list of all the countries that the application itself supports. It is up to you to choose which country you want. Keep in mind that by selecting some countries, you must also select a region. And that's it. You have successfully selected your region on WeChat. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.